South Korea has again reported another record high number of coronavirus cases at more than 5,000. There have also now been 5 cases confirmed of the Omicron variant. People arriving in the country, vaccinated or not, will now have to quarantine for 10 days. And the government's considering a return to the strictest distancing measures. Choi Min-jung reports.
South Korea on Wednesday night reported its first 5 cases of the Omicron variant. And there are growing concerns that the strain may already be spreading within the local community. This comes as at least 60 people have come in close contact with a married couple and their friend who were all found to have the Omicron variant. The variant was also detected in 2 unvaccinated women in their 50s who also recently traveled to Nigeria. Of the 5 confirmed cases, 4 are asymptomatic, while 1 has a relatively mild fever. To tame a potential 5th wave of the pandemic, the government has imposed stricter measures. All travelers arriving in South Korea, regardless of their nationality or vaccination status, will have to quarantine for 10 days. The new measure will be implemented on Friday and will be in place for the next 2 weeks. Also starting Friday, the entry of non-Koreans departing from Nigeria will be banned. This comes as South Korea's daily COVID-19 tally has topped 5,000 for 2 days straight. The country on Thursday reported an all-time high of 5,266 new cases. Compared to a week ago, this is up by more than 1,300 cases. Meanwhile, the number of severely ill patients was above the 700 mark for the 2nd day in a row. There were a record 733 critically ill patients. Against this backdrop, the government is considering reimposing restrictions equivalent to social distancing level 4. What may be included in the new measure is the reduction of permitted social gathering sizes, as well as the number of unvaccinated people allowed in cafes and restaurants. Officials are also reviewing whether to ban gatherings at nightlife entertainment facilities and restrict business operating hours. The finalized details are set to be announced on Friday. Choi Min-jung, Arirang News.